Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to join us for the Oliver Motors walk-around video of a 2015 GMC Terrain all-wheel drive SLE. This gorgeous 2015 Terrain is located at Oliver Motors, 246 West Main Street, Sun Prairie. Hi, my name is Dell, and I'm going to be walking around this GMC Terrain and showing you some of the great features that it has to offer. Now, the GMC Terrain has been mostly unchanged since its introduction back in 2010. That's 6 years, while a major refresh or redesign. In automotive terms, that's a lifetime. Why? Well, if it's not broke, don't fix it. The GMC Terrain still stands out for its comfort-oriented ride and its great features, along with that tough truck-like appeal. If you're shopping for a great crossover for road trips and highway journeys, this is the vehicle. And let me show you some of the reasons, like the alloy wheels. Opening up the driver's door, we're going to take a look at the inside. This vehicle is set up with power locks, power windows, power mirrors, all right there at the driver's fingertips. Pioneer upgrade radio system. This does have the WeatherTech floor mats. Power driver's seat. Hopping up inside the driver's compartment. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, not only does it have cruise control, but also has collision alert and lane departure. Great safety features added onto this vehicle. On the right-hand side is going to be your hands-free and radio and volume controls. Back behind on the toggle on the left-hand side, your headlights, your brights, and your blinkers. On the right-hand side will be your windshield wipers, both for the front and the back. Taking a look at that dash, a nice big bright display, the big information center right in the center there. Talking about an information center, a nice big screen on the center stack for your backup camera, as we can see. AM, FM, XM, CD, and multimedia controls. Your locks functions are on the center stack there. Going down below, your climate controls. Tons of great storage, as you can see in the glove box. The little cubby underneath the CD player there. The two cup holders. The center armrest that opens up. And again, your multimedia plugins down inside of there. A ton of great room in the vehicle. As we get out, this is also equipped with a nice big sunroof right over the driver and passenger's front seats. And again, I want to show the amount of room. It's a little bit boxier design, but it also gives all five of the passengers in the vehicle just a ton of legroom. Like when we're opening up the back door, look at the amount of room between the front of the back seat and the back of the front seats. Great extra features in the back where if you only have one or two people in the back, the center armrest folds down for cup holders. The back seats also fold down, making it a nice level plateau in case you don't have any passengers in the back, but have more cargo or storage. And talking about that back storage compartment, we're going to pop open that back hatch. Look at the amount of room even with those two back seats up. Very impressed with the amount of room that this compact SUV actually has to offer. Underneath the floor, your spare tire jack assembly. Closing up that rear hatch, we're going to walk around to the front, pop open the hood, and take a look at the 2.4 four-cylinder motor that's powering this gorgeous 2015 GMC Terrain all-wheel drive. Now, everything that you need to check or fill is going to be right up on top. Great safety features that's actually hidden behind the plastic that's in this vehicle. Crumple points, drop-away motor mounts, the 5-mile-an-hour bumper, both front and rear, the side impact beams, and of course, driver, passenger, and side airbags. If you'd like more information, hop online to olivermotors.com.